All product starts one of two ways. The product either starts with the customer, but in a lot of cases like this, it also starts with the home site.
I think the main inspiration for what we've done to these plans was based on the fact that we're right next to Balloon Fiesta Park.
This is home. This is where we grew up. We went to school here. We have our friends here. We got married here. We raised our kids here. This is home. We have our picture perfect skies, sunrises, sunsets, the scenery. The leaves are changing in the bosque, and the Balloon Fiesta it captures so much of the essence of what New Mexico really is all about. Being our first development, this was a big one.
It's a lot of risk, it's a new challenge, but it also creates some really cool opportunities for us to do things with community look and feel and sense of place that we've never been able to do before.
In many of the cases, we know what these neighborhoods are like, and to really try to capture that local character and reflect it in the development and in the community and in the architecture is a lot of fun for us.
We've really gotten so diverse in our product lines in the last 18 to 24 months, bringing on stuff that we've never done before. We get a lot of feedback from our homeowners and from our home buyers about what they'd like to see more of and what they're looking for, and usually what's missing. I wish you guys had this, or I wish, I could see more of this. And so we're always trying to push the envelope from a design perspective.
I really have to give credit to Mackenzie on the majority of these designs. This is really his vision that I had the opportunity to work with him on and help bring his ideas to life. And I really feel like I was just a paintbrush.
When we think about design and when we're thinking about product, we really envision our customers living in it and what they're going to be doing and how they're going to be experiencing our product.
Each of these plans will have an optional deck. There's going to be a spiral staircase that leads up to these decks. We have some really big sliding glass doors. We're also offering the pocketing infinity door, which just opens up that floor plan and gives you that indoor-outdoor living. We'll have a standard fireplace in each of the great rooms, and we're going to have a lot of glass above and basically surrounding these fireplaces. Within the owner's bath, we're doing some very cool details. Not only do we have a freestanding tub in each of these, we've got a really cool shower detail. It'll just be a complete glass enclosure. On the kitchen islands, we are offering a cascading countertop, which really goes along with the contemporary styling of these homes.
One of the things that was really important to us when we were designing this product, it was all about sight lines from different parts of the house and giving people the ability to see not only at eye level and what you would typically see through a normal window, but being able to see much higher, so that as a balloon is taking off and going over your house, or as the fireworks are going up, if you're standing at your island, you can still partake and see all that site has to lend.
The views are just fantastic. It's elevated, it's sitting at this little perch right above the diversion channel, and you've got extraordinary views out to the west. You can see the Jemez Mountains and the Cochiti Mesa, and of course the Balloon Fiesta Park, and then the Sandias are there towering over everything else below it, which is it's just beautiful. This is really just the beginning.
It's really important that we not only just build houses, we want to build homes, we want to build communities, we want to build special places. So that's one of the things that's really, really important for us, and that's one of the things that's really exciting about Ascension. It's the opportunity to really create that special sense of place. When you pull into this community, Ascension, when it's finished and it's all built out and the landscaping's all finished and all the homes are finished, it's gonna feel unlike anything in Albuquerque.